When trying to determine which of these equations matches the actual graph, something that is good to note is the form that all of these are in. And notice we always mention don't look at the answer options right away. They'll only confuse you if you're trying to just get the answer right away. However, it can be useful to look at the answer format. And notice they're all in a particular form. It looks like a factored form, right? Notice you have a few different forms. The one that we notice here is intercept form, where notice you have the opposite of P, opposite of Q. In other words, you're finding the x-intercepts and inputting it here in this factored form. Well, the x-intercepts are -1 and +3. So since we have to do the opposite when putting them into this factored form, the opposite of -1 would become x plus 1. And the reason for that is, think about what we're saying here. We're saying x equals -1. X equals 3. So when you move the -1 to the left side here, you get x plus 1, and then same thing here, you get x minus 3. And the way we would have obtained this is really once they're in factored form and everything is equal to 0 and you solve, then you would get those two solutions. So we know it should be an x plus 1 and an x minus 3. So x plus 1, I'm going to eliminate this one and this one. So now I've narrowed it down to b and d. I want x minus 3, which matches with b, because notice this negative in front, that didn't really help. Yeah, the parabola is opening down, so it's a negative a value, but that wasn't something that was going to eliminate answer options. But we found our answer is b.